a package has just arrived. I think it's time for us to go get it. Come on. New package is here. It just arrived. I'm stoked. This thing, man, guys, the reason why I'm so excited is because I've been waiting for something like this to be dropped by Canon, and some people have called it the FX3 killer. That kind of gives you a hint as to what it is. We have a Canon C50 in this box right here. And the reason why I'm so excited is because I mentioned earlier in our introduction video where I have a bunch of documentaries and short films. Oh, Thor wants to join. So I have a bunch of documentaries and short films that are coming up and just a bunch of new projects that I'm really excited for. So guys, should we start unboxing it? Thor, should we start unboxing it? Do you guys want to see more of Thor on this channel? You guys want to see more of Thor on this channel? This right here is my wife's and I Aussie Doodle. We have 2 of them. Absolutely love him. His name is Thor, Dog of Thunder. There you guys know. If you guys want to see more of him on the channel, drop it down in the comments below. Ooh, baby. Look at that thing. Like, I'm not much of a spec person, but the fact that Canon has come up with a camera that has open gate is absolutely beautiful. Now, I know the Canon R6 Mark III also shoots an open gate, but this thing has a fan. This is mainly a cinema camera and not a full hybrid camera. So that's why I'm so excited for this to be mainly my A camera. The reason why I'm so excited is because I'm shooting right now on my Canon R5, not the Mark II, just the normal Canon R5. And I did think about getting the R5 Mark II, but when I saw this thing, I was like, no, I think it's time to get a full-blown video camera or cinema camera. And then, you know, if I need stills, I have my R5, because the stills on the R5, they do absolutely fine. I have no issues with them. I have taken trips to Canada, I've taken trips to Washington, all over the place, Europe, and this thing gets the job done. It's kind of like a 5D in my opinion. That's kind of what the R5 replaced in terms of in Canon lineup. So these to me are absolute workhorses. So, but with this bad new boy, we are going to have so many opportunities to get even better video for whether it's clients or just anyone that you could think of. So let's get this thing unboxed and out on the table. Oh yeah. All right, all the normal Canon whatever. Just give me the body. Ooh. Oh yeah, guys, this feels nice. It takes the same batteries that I have already for the Canon. Wow, this feels really nice. I was curious to know how it felt. It does feel a little bit on the lighter side, which I know a lot of people are saying is causing, being that this thing, another thing about this camera, this does not have IBIS. So this camera does not have IBIS, so that's in-body stabilization, where the R5 Mark II or the R6 Mark III or any of those cameras or the FX3 from Sony, they all have in-body stabilization. This thing does not. Now, I've heard a lot of good things and I've heard a lot of bad things from different people. So that's why I'm excited to give this my own shot, and I'm going to be doing the full rig with it. Unless like I'm really trying to have a small rig, I will not be having it just like this. I think I'll always have the top handle for the most part, as well as possibly an external battery source. I don't know, we'll see. I will definitely do a full rig breakdown for you guys once I have it all built up and how I want it to be. But man, this thing is nice. I'm not gonna, I've missed having so many customizable buttons. And as I said before, I'm not the guy that is going to give you all these specs. There's plenty of other people on. I just want to make beautiful imagery and films for people to watch. And this is a tool to me. I don't need to know every spec and sensor and resolution and frames per second. I don't need to know all that. Now, in terms of for the video for you guys, yes, I know how to use this thing in and out, or I will. I've used C100 Mark IIs, C300s, C400s. I've never used any of the C70s or C80s, but you know, I started off with a Canon C50, then I went to a 5D, then I went to a 5D Mark III, then I went 1DX, and then I went to an R5, and now we got this bad boy. So I'm super excited to have this now in the lineup as my A camera for when I'm doing video, and then that means now I have a B camera, which is huge for the documentary. So I have 2 angles as well as anything else. I could have this set up on a tripod, and then I could use the R5 on a handheld, or opposite, whatever I decide to do. It's here, baby. Let's not hit it with the axe. Yeah, let's not do that. Let's not scratch it. So obviously the top handle should be in here somewhere. Got our battery, you know, as expected, LPE6P. I have about 5 or 6 of these already from my Canon R5, so not a worry there. Looks like a neck strap. Probably won't be using that. Another Canon battery charger. Always have plenty of these. I have about probably 6 of them. Quick little tip for when you guys are traveling and on shoots and all that. What I've done on all of these is labeled, had like a label maker and have my name on them. So that way, because these things are very easily be lost and stolen and switched around with other people's if you have other shooters on the production. So highly recommend is marking all your chargers down so you don't have someone else take them, because it's happened to me. So there you go. Let's see, I'm gonna guess the handle is in this box. Your mic, so this goes on to your top handle of the C50, and then you're able to attach your mic if you have like a shotgun mic and all that. Now this is what I've been most excited about, is to have XLR ports back. With the C50 you have XLR ports. Let me turn around. With the C50 you have XLR ports, which I'm, wow. As I'm talking, I'm sorry, I got distracted. This grip feels so well made. There's a rubber actually underneath here that feels extremely, extremely well thought out. That it's not just the cheap plasticky, but this, you're actually feeling it. Yep. So guys, let's put the top handle onto the C50 and see how it looks. Oh yeah, that went on seamlessly. This right here is exactly what I've been waiting for. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. All audio inputs, able to switch from line, mic, everything you could think of, channels, all your inputs, your audio levels, and then, like I said, having XLR ports are huge. If you need, you could probably put a monitor up here, or yeah, I would say a monitor actually would be pretty perfect, unless you have a cage set up and then the monitor could go on top of the other part of the cage. But man, how can you not be impressed with Canon coming up with this? Like truly, like this thing is absolutely sick. Like everything that a lot of people have been waiting for. I feel like a lot of people are going to come up with amazing content and films with this thing. I know I'm excited to shoot a couple of documentaries this year, along with plenty more coming up. One of my other huge things that I love that Canon did was full-size HDMI out. That is absolutely huge, because it's always been HDMI to mini HDMI or micro HDMI, depending on what it is, as well as, here's another big one, time code, guys. time code is a huge one if you are doing that. I'm also really curious, I'm not gonna lie, I'm also very curious to see how the photo is on here. I know that's going to be something that I'm going to be testing out a lot of. So that was just a quick unboxing of me getting this C50. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was probably boring to you guys, but you guys are here for me, all right? And I'm here for you guys. So whatever you guys need, you let me know down in the comments below. I will be giving you guys plenty more updates on the rig that I built out for this, along with if you have any questions about this camera or the R5 that I'm using, even though that's old and outdated, at least probably in my opinion. That's just me thinking, even though it is an absolute workhorse of a camera. But guys, yeah, let me know what your thoughts are on the C50 if you have it or if you're looking to get it. I know I'm excited to start shooting on this bad boy. And guys, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.